something good. I think we're onto something good. Don't let it get away. This could be everything. You know I gotta say, I think we're onto something.
Lights, subwoofers. This is a really cool cart, but you can't buy it. You gotta win it. And he's gonna tell me all about it. Your name is?
My name is Ken Sosa. Nice to meet you.
And Ken, tell me all about this cart.
All right, so what we have is a club car 2015. We took the club car frame and built it from the ground up. So everything on this car is brand new except for the frame itself. The frame is aluminum, does not rust, and Club Car is one of the elite brands in the industry, so that's why we use that frame.
So it's all decked out though. You guys build everything from the frame up?
Absolutely.
Tell me all about that.
Whatever details you guys want, whether it's audio, custom seats, custom wheels, suspension systems, wheels and tires, colors, you tell me how you want it built, we're gonna build it for you.
So what's the name of your company?
Excessive Carts in Prosper, Texas.
Prosper, Texas. Sounds like you're trying to prosper. But this one's unique. This one you can't buy, you gotta...
You have to win it. So we built this for the Weston Volunteer Fire Department. We were trying to help them raise some money to help support our volunteer firefighters. So you cannot buy this car. This car was specifically built to help raise money, and you have to buy a ticket to win it.
And the tickets are how much?
Tickets are $25 each, or you can get 5 for $100. The drawing will be July 4th at the City of Weston 4th of July parade.
So if they win it and they come to the parade, they get to go up and down the parade route?
Absolutely.
That sounds pretty fun.
It belongs to you, or if you can't be there during the drawing, we will deliver it to you.
And more importantly, for the people watching on YouTube, you can help support them by going to this scan code. I'm going to show you real quick that's on the bottom of this flyer. Actually, we'll get him to hold it up. Check out this flyer. And then right here at the bottom, that scan code. That's what's going to get you a chance to get your tickets so that you can win this cart. Of course, I already got my ticket, so just know that he's probably going to be delivering it to me. But then again, you still have a chance to get in there. What would you do with this? Drive it up and down the streets of Key West?
No, Fort Wilderness.
Fort Wilderness? What about Montana? Yellowstone?
No.
No? You wouldn't drive around Yellowstone?
No, I would want one of the four
And
wheelers.
you said if somebody wins it from outside, you'll figure out a way to get it to them?
Absolutely. I will find a way to deliver it to you wherever you're at. For those who can't be there during the drawing, it's not a problem.
So you don't need to be present to win.
Do not need to be present to win. We just appreciate all your support and participating and helping our volunteer firefighters.
And as you know, we like to take care of our people that take care of us. So you guys need to look at this and make sure that you sign up right here on this code. Get that code, buy some tickets, and help out the Weston Volunteer Fire Department. All right, YouTube, you know what's going on. Nuttin adventured, Nuttin gained.
I have got to get me one of these.
You know, check out those lights. Those are pretty cool, huh?
I'd have them on blue the entire time. Because it would match the blue on it.
Yeah, the blue mirrors,
Or,
the custom wheels.
The blue metal too. Look at these cup holders.
Cup holders. Oh, that's really cool. Got storage up here for your sunglasses, speakers, handles, big speakers down here. Look at that. There's some big speakers down here. Forward, reverse. Wow, that'd be really fun to...
Hey, look, there's also. I don't know what's.
More storage?
Yeah, deeper storage. I was like, I don't know what's in there.
All of your personal cell phone.